How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix this problem right here with PS5, too many USB devices connected. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and check for physical damages on the cables that you are currently using. Remove the ones that are damaged, or you could maybe try using another cables for your devices. Now, you also want to go ahead and unplug unnecessary USB connected devices like USB ports right here or USB hubs. You only want to leave something like your controller onto the PS5 ports. You then want to go ahead and restart your PS5. That basically fixes the problem. And overall, you just want to go ahead and leave the essential cables for your PS5 to work. You want to go ahead and remove something like USB hub right here and just leave the ones for your controllers and for the external hard drives or solid state drives. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.